Hi guys, so I decided to spend this December morning going to two different thrift stores to see if I could buy anything in an hour or two while my wife is out the house preparing for a Christmas concert that I'm going to watch her sing in a few hours. So yeah, I spent around, I don't know, I'm gonna live math here. Yeah, I spent around I don't know $50 or something, converting from Danish currency. And I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got and how much I think I could sell the items for. So if we take the one of the stores first, first of all, I got this duffel bag. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in a very nice condition. There's shoulder straps with it, and yeah, it's from a brand called Kensia. I'm not a big back brand guy, but I don't know if you can see it. I looked it up and it went for around $80 to $100, and I got this for around $20. So hopefully this will sell quick. I got this pencil case, nice noise, from Sophie Schnorr. I looked it up, it was around $30 retail. I got it for $2, so hopefully we can 4 or 5x that. What else do I get? I got this Danish Advent calendar DVD, very popular in Denmark. Yeah, $2, and I've sold this multiple times. It will easily go for $10 to $15. So yeah, and I got this Mad Max. Actually, it's a double VHS, but it contains 3 movies. So there's 2 on one of the tapes. I got this for under $1. So yeah, hopefully it's, I don't know, easy $20 or something. I looked it up. There was various prices depending on you looked on the international market or the Danish market. But yeah, it's yeah, for less than $1, I'm willing to take the chance on this. And last thing from that second store I went to is this Rick and Morty Trivial Pursuit game. Retail, it's about $20 to $25. I got this for less than $2, so hopefully we can easily make that, $8 to $12. So that was the second store, and in the first store I went to, yes, I'm doing this in opposite timeline. So this one I'm a bit excited about to test out because, oh yes, it broke. Anyways, it's I don't know how to say it. It's made in Germany, Ascola brand. It is it's not in order, but it's a vintage pencil drawing. I don't know if you can show it without dropping everything, but it's drawing tools. I'm taking a gamble on this one, but I got it for $3, around $3 or $4. I found I can't tell if I need to watch this close. I can't tell if it's broken or not, some of the things, but yeah, I think I saw some competition on eBay for what was it? Yeah, $40 to $50. So yeah, hopefully this will be an interesting. It's not a great condition, the box, but my wife is big into. She's a very talented arts and craft lady, so she can tell me if these are broken or not, because I'm not a great crafts guy. So I got a bunch of books. No, these are selling randomly, but you know, all these business self-help books, I've been through it all, and I am also tired of them all now. They are a waste of time mostly, but you know, they're still selling. So yeah, I got a bunch of English books. Dale Carnegie, The Leader in You, $2. The No Asshole Rule, less than $2. How to Enjoy Your Life and Job, Dale Carnegie, $2. Start with Wise, Simon Sinek. I read this, you know, 5-10 years ago. I can't remember when it came out, but can't remember anything from it because yeah, but it's popular. And yeah, $2. And this Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, David Allen. Haven't heard of that ever, but yeah, $2. So hopefully these business books sell quickly. They do with my experience. I also tried a new thing today. I tried to buy some cookbooks. So this is $4 or $5 I paid for this. It's the Climate Cookbook in Danish. You know, it retailed for around $50 to $70. So hopefully this will bring in a good profit. Other cookbooks are baby food, Baby Mel. It was also around retailing for, I don't know, $30 or something. I got this for $2. And afternoon tea for $2 to $3. Yeah, it's afternoon tea. That could be English, but it's actually a Danish book. But again, it was retailing for around $30, and I got this for around $3. So I haven't been doing anything in cooking. I haven't been doing anything with cookbooks or something like that. I also tried to buy some books about knitting and such with recipes in it, just to test if that's doing anything. I can see they are quite popular on Vinted, getting quite the amount of likes. So yeah, I'm testing this out. The Cook's Book About Bread, retail. It sold for 149 Danish krones back in the day, and I got this for 15 krones. So that's a tenth of that, around $2 I bought it for. Hopefully I can sell it for $10, $15, $20. Let's see. I also got, that's the last of it, but I am going through my bag. There was a bag, there was a box with toys where everything was 1 Danish krone, so that's 10 to 20 cents. Let's just say 20 cents for the sake of it. I got this knight armor with a shield for 20 cents. It was going for $10 to $20. I got this, I think it's a Space Jam little guy for 20 cents. Also, I can't remember the selling price, but it was a good amount because everything that wasn't I put back in the box. So yeah, plus $20. I think it's from 1996. Yeah, let's say 1996. I have great eyesight. Yeah, made by Warner Bros. And lastly, this was the smallest but the most exciting figure I found. I don't know anything about Transformers. I'm not that interested in, I do my fair share of video games and such, but I'm not a big nerd knowing stuff about much. So I looked this up, and this little vintage 80s Transformers guy went for around $100. on eBay. I don't know if I can get that much. I don't know if it's complete or if it's missing anything, but yeah, for 20 cents, if I can get $100 for this will be my biggest score yet. It's what, 2 centimeters or something. So yeah, I couldn't believe when I found it that it was going for that amount. But let's see, it's a bit wobbly here in the legs, but I don't know if it's that the condition it should be in. But I'm pretty excited about that. Otherwise, I've been spending the morning, listing stuff, taking photos of stuff. I went crazy the last week on a trip, so I bought 3 full bags of clothing of this size. Already listed a bunch of it, but yeah, now I'm down to, I got this sweatshirt. Now I'm just showing random stuff I bought. I got a bunch of football jerseys, kids football jerseys. I've sold a few of these already from another haul, so I know they can do well. And I got all of those for, I know, $2 each. So yeah, that's just some of the things. I bought a lot of stuff. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty excited. Sold 2 things today already. An Adidas full zip hoodie. Got it at an outlet in the thrift store for $2 yesterday in my lunch break actually, and it sold for just under $20. So I'm getting that out of the house today, and I also sold a Yonex badminton polo shirt. I can't remember the buying price. I think it's around $3 I bought it for, and I sold it for $12. So not a big profit on that one, but it's out, it's profit. We like that. So yeah, just a small video showing you everything from the headquarters here in our living room. Thankfully, my wife is not home right now to see all the mess I'm doing here, but yeah, hopefully this weekend it will all be bagged and tagged and stored away in moving boxes in my storage room, which I'm numbering now, and it's making it very much easier for me to find. Just look up in this. I got this Excel master spreadsheet that I'm doing, where I can see, the name of the thing, the price I bought it for, and where it's located, which box. So that's making it much easier for me to go, yeah, that's in, box 23, and it's easy to find. Maybe soon I will buy a bigger storage room, because I'm almost, filling this one up with moving crates to the top of the room, but we will see. Right now I have 3 filled boxes here in the living room, which needs to go to the storage room, and I think that's nearing the max capacity of that room. So, and I have stuff right now to fill 2 or 3 more boxes, I think. So maybe in a few weeks I will have a bigger storage room, but we will see. This was just a quick impulsive video to show you some of the day-to-day stuff I do, reselling items. So yeah, have a very nice Christmas, and I will get ready to go see my wife sing a Christmas concert. Bye, take care.